Hello everyone, my name is Agista Darha Sofian. I want to share my opinion about the Indonesia versus Bahrain match. In my opinion, the match was very tense. The Indonesia player for heart and player with spirit. But I think the match was unfair. The Bahrain player rough, but the referee didn't give any cards. I feel the referee was not fair and seemed the forever Bahrain. The player from Bahrain also wasted time. The most disappointing part was when the referee didn't blow the whistle if the extra time was over. At that time, Bahrain scored a goal. I was real disappointed, but I'm still fond of Indonesia.
Kuliah biasa aja.
The question what are question what? Question what are used to ask for specific information. They begin interrogate sentence. Also now as WH word because most start with WH. Come on, question what? Who, what, where, when, we, how. Example of the use of the word who asking about people, meaning user to ask about a person. Example, who is your best friend? Answer, my best friend is Lukman. Example of the use of the what? Asking about people, meaning user to about a person. Example, who is your best friend? Answer, my best friend is Ardian. Example of the use of the where asking about place, meaning user to ask about location. Example, where do you live? Answer, I live in Jakarta. Example of the use of the when. Asking about team. Meaning user to ask about time or date. Example, when is your birthday? Answer, my birthday is on November 10 year. Example of the use of the we. Asking about reason, meaning user to ask about the reason for something. Example, we are you studying English? Answer, because I want to speak with people from other containers. Example of the use of the how. asking about method or manner, meaning you should to ask about the way something is done. Example, answer, I go to school by motorcycle. Review question 1. Title, let's review content. Who for a person, what for a thing or activity, where for a place, when for a team, we for a reason, how for a why or method. Example in sentences. Title, example, sentence, content. Who is your teacher? What are you doing? Where do you live? When is your birthday? We are you sad? How are you today? Review question what? Title, let's review content. Who for a person, what for a thing, a thing of activity, where for a place, when for a time, we for a reason, how for a why or method. Summary and motivation. Motivation. Title, remember. Content, each question word help you get different information. Practice every day to speaking English confident. Good question led to great conversation. How many? Arti berapa banyak? Contoh, how many cats do you have? I have 3 cats. How much? Arti berapa? Contoh, how much water do you drink? I drink a lot of water. How old? Berapa umur? Contoh, how old are you? I am 18 years. How often? Arti seberapa sering. Contoh, how often do you study English? I study every day. How far? Arti seberapa jauh. Contoh, how far is your school? It's 2 kilometers from my house. How many? Arti berapa banyak. Contoh, how many cats do you have? I have 3 cats. Terima kasih, sekian dari saya.
Kalau kuliah, besi, besi aja. Kuliah, besi aja. Betul?